Hi, I'm Dr. Varkey. Welcome to GynoTalks. I basically created this YouTube channel so that I could compile a library of videos that covered various healthcare topics that were relevant to women. As a physician who's been practicing for over 15 years in the field of obstetrics and gynecology, I have continued to feel frustrated at the lack of time that we're afforded with each patient to cover relevant healthcare topics. I think I spend more time on average than most physicians do with their patients, and still I don't seem to have enough time to cover everything that I want to in a particular visit. So someone suggested that I create YouTube videos for my patients to watch in the waiting room or outside of my office so that they can learn about everything I wanted to share with them before they came in with me. And this idea then grew to include patients outside of my practice so that perhaps patients who don't have access to healthcare or maybe just are not going to get enough time with their doctor to ask all the questions they want can refer to my library and at least get some basic information on each of these different topics. I've tried to organize each week in different categories. So for example, I've done a week on contraception with 3 or 4 videos on that topic, another one on fibroids, another one on preconceptional counseling, and so on. I'm going to try to hit topics that are relevant to all age groups, and I think it is important to understand that I'm not going to be able to get everything in full depth, but just the basics and superficially covering them enough that you guys get a basic idea of what's important and use these videos as a stimulus for further questions with your doctor. Lastly, I want to point out that I do research before I publish each video to remind myself of the latest information on each topic, but this always changes as new research is being done and new studies are being published. So please keep in mind that what you hear on a video today may be outdated as soon as next week or next month, or maybe it'll never change and be relevant for years. But that's why it's important to always talk to your doctor about any healthcare issue you have to get the most relevant and up-to-date information. So thanks for subscribing, and I hope you find these videos to be helpful and informative. Thanks.